how to download and log into Coinbase app. If you wish to download and log into Coinbase, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go to your Play Store or your App Store, and here you can simply search for the Coinbase application. And once you search for the Coinbase app, you'll find the Coinbase app. And if you haven't downloaded it already, you can just tap on the download button over there to download or install it on both your Android and iPhones. Once you've done that, you can launch the Coinbase app. This is the interface you will see. So if you already have an account, you can tap the sign in. If you don't, you can tap on get started. You can also continue with your Google account, whatever is convenient for you. So based on whatever is comfortable, tap on the sign in button from the very bottom of the screen, which will redirect you to their website on coinbase.com, where you can go ahead and then simply provide your respective credentials. And once you provided the credentials, you should be able to log into Coinbase account using your Google account or email address or your mobile number or password. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.